Yes, so good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so today, basically, today's session is to help you how to excel in your board exam. Okay, if you score above 65 or 70, your paper will be going to the moderators. So, I'll just guide you quickly on how you will score good even if your paper goes to the moderator. Okay, so yes, so today's agenda is first we will see how to practice the writing skills. Okay, how you will score good in your writing skills, what mistakes you are not supposed to make, and how will you score good in your writing skills. Second, translation tips, question answer strategies, how you will score, how you can write a good answers. Okay, then fourth is grammar section guidelines, vocabulary preparation. Now vocabulary is very important, which is your question 3 in your board paper. So yes, it is important and most of the students lose marks in vocabulary preparation. Okay, then I will be giving some general instructions on how to write the paper and presentations and all. And lastly, I will give you a detailed study plan for the last month कि लास्ट मंथ में कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, एंड ऑल्सो आफ्टर योर इंग्लिश पेपर विच इज़ ऑन 11th February, after English paper and till that, how to, in that 2 days, how will you study properly for your French exams. Okay, for important writing skill topic, you will have to see Vipul. Okay, Vipul बुक है फॉर 12th स्टैंडर्ड. आई होप एवरी वन इज यूजिंग दैट. उसमें यू विल हैव ऑल द पास्ट पेपर्स के राइटिंग स्किल्स. सो येस, यू हैव टू बाय हार्ट दैट. एंड जनरली विपुल इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच यूजफुल फॉर ग्रामर थिंग. ओके, ग्रामर के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सेट्स दिए हैं विपुल में. सो इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू डू नॉट हैव विपुल, just take Xerox from your friend or anything, but Vipul is really important and it helps you to prepare for your board exam. Okay, so yes, the first thing is writing skill. Okay, now you have to pay very much attention to your format. Okay, pay very very close attention to your format, how to write, when to write, like what address, everything. Okay, so first thing you will have to do is use proper salutations. Okay, salutations and address. See, basically address will be given in your question. Okay, so use that address only and do not write your own address. Okay, the third is remember a grav means to whom you are writing the letter, and de means from whom the letter has been written. Okay, this will be given in your question, so do not interchange it. Okay, or else you will lose the marks in that. Okay, and yes, you will be given names of both the parties in the question. So yes, you have to see that only. And the last thing, yes, this is very important, most of the students lose marks here. Okay, you have to write objet. Okay, it is OBJET and not object, which is in English. Okay, so please remember to write OBJET and not the object of English. Okay, you will lose marks if you write just an extra C in that. Okay, okay, now presentation part. Avoid leaving too much space on the left and right. I have seen most of the students doing कि हाँ ठीक है, बड़ा दिखेगा अपना writing skill, so they leave the margin a lot. But please do not do that. It looks very bad and it gives your bad impression to the examiner. ठीक है, examiner will mostly and all the time focus on the content and not on the length. ठीक है, so write properly, proper paragraphs करो, everything, but please do not leave extra space in your margin. ठीक है. Okay, so these are some useful beginnings endings, useful sentence for the first paragraph, last paragraph, everything. This is from Vipul only. Okay, I have taken this from Vipul only, but अगर किसी के पास नहीं है तो you can take a screenshot of this. It will be useful and please use this only. ठीक है? Now, see this and this. See the spelling of share. Okay, when it is masculine, you do not have graph, and when it is feminine, you have the graph. Okay, so focus on the spelling of share. Students make mistake and they lose their marks in this. ठीक है? So no, लाने, that is only one word. It is not two words. Okay, जो भी apostrophe है, जो भी है, it is counted as one word and not the two words. Okay, so yes, it is good. Focus on your word and not the length of the writing skill. ठीक है? Okay, this is the example of the email format. First, you will write a graph and the address which is given, like email address which is given in the question, the जिसके तरफ से है, and object, what is the object of your mail. Then you will proceed just how you write the letter, you will write the mail, and after concluding here, you will write this date. Okay, this date will come here. अगर place लिखा तो it is good, but it's okay अगर place नहीं लिखा, but please do not forget to write your date. Okay, date is very important and you will have to write it at the end. ठीक है? Okay, now हमने presentation देख लिया कि how you will present it and all. Now content. Okay, pay close attention to your tenses. कौन से टेंस में आपको लिखने बोला है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर क्वेश्चन इज देखरीर वोत्सर देरनियर वाकॉन्स, डिस्क्राइब योर लास्ट वेकेशन. ओके, सो मैंने देखा है बहुत स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट दे डू, दे राइट एवरीथिंग प्रॉपरली, दे include all the pointers which are given in the bracket and everything, they do it perfectly, but the only mistake they do is they write the whole mail in present tense or future tense. Okay, so the question was describe your last vacation, which was supposed to be in passé composé and not in future tense or present tense. Okay, so pay attention to your tense कि कौन से tense में दिया है, and according to that conjugate your verbs. ठीक है? Second one is conjugate verbs correctly. Okay, here pay attention to your irregular verbs and reflexive verbs. You should know when to use reflexive and when to use normal verbs. ठीक है? Cover all the points. Okay, bracket में तुम लोग को question के नीचे pointers दिए रहेंगे. You will have to cover each and every point. Do not leave a single point from that. ठीक है? You will cover each and every point in that. And also you can add some extra points. For example, अगर question है कि describe your weekends at Paris. ठीक है? So again you have Paris के questions in chapter 1, chapter 0, question answers में you have that. ठीक है? So you can add that also in your mail. Okay, पहले you will cover all the points which are given in the bracket and then you can add the extra also, but keep in mind कि extra add करने के चक्कर में do not make the sentence grammatically incorrect. ठीक है? You will have to frame a proper sentence because you cannot copy paste जो question answer में दिया है वो simple copy paste नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so you will have to properly frame the sentence. If you are not confident in your sentence formation, please do not do that. ठीक है? जितना by heart किया है उतना ही लिख के आओ. Okay? And one more thing, keep this in mind कि जो भी examiner है, जो भी moderator है, वो लोग आपके sentence के formation को देखेंगे. They will see your grammar. सो डू नॉट मेक सेंटेंस टू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ठीक है, एकदम सिंपल रखो सेंटेंस, शॉर्ट रखो बट करेक्ट. ओके, सो यस, कीप द सेंटेंस सिंपल बट करेक्ट and do not go in making sentence very complicated. ठीक है. The next one is blog writing. Okay, always for blog writing always write your heading. ठीक है, अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया है तो गुड, अगर नहीं दिया है तो राइट योर ब्लॉग्स. ठीक है. दीप, वी नीड टू टाइम्स. ओके, आई विल कम टू दिस आगे बाद में, बट एज ऑफ नाउ I'll say that you have to attempt both. Okay, attempt blog and email both. It is nothing that which is scoring and which is less scoring. It depends on the student. कौन सा topic आपका proper है. So yes, you have to attempt both blogs and email. Yes, there is an option. Okay, I'll come to this आगे बाद में. I'll explain this also. ठीक है. Okay. So writing skill is clear, right? किसी को कुछ भी doubt है for writing skills, any question, presentation, कुछ भी format या anything. Okay, so we will move to the next, that is translation. Okay, so translation में main thing क्या होता है कि students make mistake in French to English. You will be very chilled out कि हाँ भाई French to English है, easy है, हो जाएगा, but no, students make most of the mistake in French to English only. Do we have to leave line between? No, you do not have to leave line between the paragraphs. Okay? Yes. Okay, French to English में what students do is that कि a, an और the में mistake करते हैं. Now, in French, if you have definite article, okay, la, la or le, you will use the. And if you have indefinite articles, you will use a or an. ठीक है, keep this in mind. अगर उल्टा किया तो you will lose marks there. Okay, then ensure that you put a proper punctuations and capitalization. Okay. Now see, अगर आपका पूरा ट्रांसलेशन करेक्ट है, कुछ भी मिस्टेक नहीं है, you have translated each and every word from French to English correctly, तो ना moderator you will cut your marks in punctuations. Moderator का काम ही है to cut your marks. ठीक है, so they will cut your marks in your punctuations. अभी फ्रेंच में क्वेश्चन मार्क है, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास है, हाइफन है, you will have to put that in English also. ठीक है. So pay attention to your punctuations and your capitalization. ठीक है, जो वर्ड कैपिटल है उसे कैपिटल ही लिखो, गलती से भी अगर स्टार्टिंग का वर्ड है तो उसे स्मॉल मत कर दो. Have to put the hyphen. In English hyphen means अगर कोई सेंटेंस दिया है फ्रेंच में and hyphen है उसमें, तो put as it is hyphen there only. You don't have to do anything different. Okay, what I meant to say is कि अगर hyphen है या कोई भी punctuation mark है तो you'll have to put it as it is, same to same. Okay? Okay. And please avoid spelling errors in English. Like तुम लोग French में spelling errors करते हो, we can understand, but not in English. Okay? They will not accept like spelling errors of English. Okay, you will lose marks in that. So शांति से लिखो, किसमें डबल एल आता है, किसमें डबल आई आता है, remember that, and शांति से write English spellings. Okay, do not lose marks over there at least. Okay, then English to French. Okay, again use correct articles. ठीक है, you will use proper correct articles. अगर same thing a और an है तो you will use indefinite articles. अगर the है you will use definite articles. ठीक है. No, Jainam, no, don't do this. Grand-mère will be grandmother together only. Okay. When I said hyphen in sentence, like I meant a whole sentence. Okay, sometimes you have a sentence like, for example, that the Griva Museum dash situated dash dash dash. Understood? So वो जो बीच में hyphen आया ना, that hyphen you will put directly in your sentence. Word के बीच में का hyphen don't do that. ठीक है? It is a different word. Okay. Now, okay. English to French. First thing, you have to put your articles properly. ठीक है? The second thing is pay attention to your verb conjugations. English में कौन सा verb दिया है? अगर will दिया है, like I will go to the market, use future sampler. Okay, I would like a cup of coffee. Then use a proper conditionnel. ठीक है? You will use every tense properly. हिंट देख लो घर पे पहले ही कि कौन से टेंस का ट्रांसलेशन क्या होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट डू द ट्रांसलेशन. एंड वर्ब कॉन्जुगेशन में डू नॉट मेक मिस्टेक. मोस्टली इन ट्रांसलेशन तुम लोग को रिफ्लेक्सिव आएगा. ओके, इट्स नॉट दैट सब रिफ्लेक्सिव आएगा, बट कुछ ना कुछ तो रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब्स में आएगा ही. सो पे अटेंशन टू योर रिफ्लेक्सिव वर्ब्स. ठीक है? And the last is, yes, match the subject properly. Okay, बहुत स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि अगर इंग्लिश का सेंटेंस है कि he is going to the market, okay, they write the full thing in ills and they conjugate the verb in ills form. Okay, so which is wrong. You will lose your marks there. कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, त्यू फॉर्म दिया है, ओके, यू दिया है इंग्लिश में, एंड दे कॉन्जुगेट द वर्ब इन इल और एल फॉर्म. ठीक है? तो डू नॉट डू दिस. पे अटेंशन टू योर सब्जेक्ट प्रॉपरली. ओके ओके. सो एनी डाउट इन ट्रांसलेशन? कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है ट्रांसलेशन का? Translation is done. Now we will move to your question answer tips. ठीक है? In question answers again pay attention to your articles. Okay, अगर for example question है कि nome srua frui. ठीक है? So while answering this, either use la, mong, l'orange, or else use yun, mong, or ठीक है? Do not mix this. कभी तुम लोग ने ला मोंग लिखा, देन यू विल राइट यून ऑरेंज. नो, डू नॉट डू दैट. ठीक है? क्लियर? ओके. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज नेगेशन. अगर क्वेश्चन में यू हैव टू यूज नेगेशन, देन पे अटेंशन टू एन अपोस्ट्रॉफ अगर वॉवेल है तो. ओके? अगर एनी लिख दिया एंड आगे वॉवेल है तो यू विल अगेन लूज योर मार्क्स. Okay, French to English translation is asked generally like 95% of the time it is asked from textbook only. ठीक है? So textbook में जो पीछे का civilization part है या textbook मतलब chapters है, anything, so do that from textbook only. फ्रेंच टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही आता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज इंटरोगेशन. यूज हाइफन फॉर फॉर्मिंग द क्वेश्चन. सी जनरली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में यू डोंट गेट इंटरोगेशन वाला थिंग, बट दिस इज यूजफुल फॉर योर ग्रामर सेक्शन, क्वेश्चन 2. ठीक है? सो नेगेशन में भी बी केयरफुल ओवर देयर एंड इंटरोगेशन ऑल्सो. Do not forget hyphen and your question mark in interrogation. ठीक है? अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क्स या हाइफन भूल गए तो यू विल लूज हाफ मार्क्स. ओके ओके. नाउ फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन, अंडरलाइन योर की पॉइंट्स इन योर आंसर्स. ठीक है, अंडरलाइन करो प्रॉपरली की पॉइंट्स. अभी ये देखो, दिस क्वेश्चन ओनली, नो में थ्रू आ फ्रूई. ठीक है, सो यू विल अंडरलाइन दिस. जो भी आंसर लिखा है, अंडरलाइन दिस फॉर अ प्रॉपर गुड प्रेजेंटेशन. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दीप आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट डू फ्रॉम विपुल. ओके, विपुल के बाहर के कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे. टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे के जो दिया है वो तो यू विल हैव टू डू ओनली ऑब्वियसली, बट विपुल में जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिया है, डू दैट करेक्टली, यू विल नॉट लूज मार्क्स. उसके बाहर के कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं आते हैं. ओके ओके. सो मूविंग टू द ग्रामर सेक्शन. Presentation, yes, this is very much important. Please underline all your answers. See, grammar का question 1, मतलब A वाला part is your paragraph दिया रहेगा and you will have to fill in the blanks. ठीक है, so उसमें write the whole question and fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Choose from the bracket and please underline the answer. ओके, अगर अंडरलाइन नहीं किया है तो यू कैन लूज योर मार्क्स इफ योर पेपर गोज टू द मॉडरेटर. ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन ऑर्डर, प्लीज अवॉइड शफलिंग योर ऑर्डर. पहले अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो पहले हमने क्वेश्चन 2 कर लिया ग्रामर का, देन क्वेश्चन 2 में भी पहले F किया फिर E किया. नो, डू नॉट डू दैट. ठीक है. If the question is in negative, like are you asking for grammar or the question answer part? ग्रामर में अगर नेगेटिव करने बोला है, डू एज डायरेक्टेड है कि अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस दिया एंड यू हैव टू डू इट इन द नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेशन, तो उसमें यू डोंट हैव टू अंडरलाइन एनीथिंग. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट द क्वेश्चन, राइट द आंसर, सिंपल. अंडरलाइन क्या करना है, अगर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टाइप्स है, ठीक है, पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव डालना है, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव डालना है, या ब्रैकेट में दिया एंड यू हैव टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ठीक है, सो उसमें प्लीज अंडरलाइन योर आंसर. ओके ओके. द क्वेश्चन ऑर्डर, प्लीज डू नॉट शफल योर क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, ऑर्डर को वैसे ही रखो, डू नॉट शफल दैट. एंड अगर बाय एनी चांस शफल करना पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, इफ यू हैव टू शफल इट, देन डबल चेक के क्वेश्चन नंबर राइट लिख रहे हो. अगर गलती से भी क्वेश्चन 2 में क्वेश्चन 3 लिख दिया, या क्वेश्चन 2 के ए वाला तुम सॉल्व कर रहे हो एंड बी लिखा है उसमें, तो यू विल गेट 0. Okay, they do not entertain this, they will straight away give 0 without even checking if your answer is right or not. Okay, so yes, do that. शांति से क्वेश्चन नंबर चेक करो, डबल चेक करो क्वेश्चन पेपर में एंड आंसर शीट में. ओके ओके. एनी डाउट अप टिल नाउ? Okay, Jainam, you have to attempt the whole paper. Options is like options दिया है, but you will not see the options. Okay, you will attempt the whole paper. Options के साथ you have to attempt. ठीक है? Okay, so any doubt up till now? कुछ भी question है? Okay. Yes. So now vocabulary. This is very important part. Not from the board point of view, but from students point of view, because students make hell lot of mistakes in vocabulary. ठीक है? So vocabulary में pay attention to your situation questions. ठीक है? अगर situation दिया है कि क दी वू av våra professor. Okay, what did you say, what will you say to your professor? So उसमें you will write the whole thing. Bonjour, monsieur. You will write the whole thing. Bonjour, monsieur, comment allez-vous? You cannot just write this thing. Okay, you will again lose marks there. ठीक है? So situation based question के लिए write the complete answer and not just one word. Okay. Then okay, pay attention to your tone. Okay, if it is formal, then use the formal tone only. For example, see अगर professor को दिया है तो you will use this bonjour वाला thing ही. You cannot write salut monsieur over there. Okay, ठीक है? If अगर you are writing, for example, the situation is for your friend or for your family member, which is informal, so then you can write salut. Okay, clear? Okay, so the next thing is okay, so now from where will you learn all the situations textbook के भी आता है, but there are most of the time situations coming from outside. So situations ना विपुल के बुक में you have lots of situations. बाय हार्ट कर लो, रट्टा मार लो, वो इट्स डन, उसके बाहर का नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? So properly learn all the situations from your विपुल book and you will know then कि कैसे करना है, कौन से situation में what answer you have to give. Okay? Clear? Any doubt up till now? Like vocabulary तक कुछ भी doubt है? Yes? Okay. So I have completed I have covered all the topic. Question 1 था from grammar. अरे question 1 was question answer. ठीक है? Question answer में you have 1 and 2 part. First one is MCQ, second one is your question answer whole thing. ठीक है? For MCQ you will have to by heart your civilization part, which is given in your textbook. हर chapter के end में you have civilizations. You have to do that. Okay, so MCQ is done. Again MCQ में write the question and underline your answer. ठीक है? Second B part, question 1 B is your question answer. Question answer में you have to underline your main answer and pay attention to your articles. Either use definite articles or indefinite articles. ठीक है? Most of the time everyone uses definite articles only. Okay, we have to write a full sentence. Yes, in MCQ you have to write your full sentence. In each and everything, question answer में भी पहले write the question then write the answer. French paper में you have lots and lots of time. Time की बिल्कुल भी कमी नहीं है, so write question and then write your answer. ठीक है? MCQ है, grammar section है, जो one word answer है, उसमें तो you definitely have to write the question. ठीक है? So the first topic was MCQ, then question answers हो गया. Now grammar section में again you have to underline your answers. You will have to pay attention to the order ऊपर नीचे मत करना. Okay, you can by heart all the writing skills from Vipul, but I would suggest that past papers के like past के 5 to 6 years के paper के भी अगर writing skills you do, so it will be enough. But again I am not saying that वही सब आएंगे. Okay, past papers में जो भी writing skills आए थे वही आएंगे. I am not saying that, but the topic will be same. थोड़ा it will be different, but it will be same. Okay, so by heart that. You have Vipul में all the writing skills, blogs, everything. Okay, so wait, I will just go through everything once again. Yes, see, so for writing skill, you have to use your proper salutations, write address properly, A-graph and DE में mistake मत करना. Object, OBJET and not OBJECT. Okay, pay attention to this. Do not write English वाला object. ठीक है? Do not write this. ठीक है? The presentation part, avoid leaving too much space on the both the side. ठीक है? Just to make your writing skill look big, lengthy. No, do not do that. The examiner will focus on your content, on the number of words and not the length. ठीक है? Focus on the content rather than the length. Then here are some useful beginnings, endings, everything which will be useful for your mail. Okay, this is, I have taken this from Vipul book only, so you can refer that. Okay, now the format for the email is that first you will write the address, email address which is given in your, do we have to make a box? No, box is not necessary for your email. Okay. Then you will write object and then you will proceed how you write your letter. Okay. First paragraph, second paragraph, essay. Then you will have to write this date at the last. Okay. Please use your proper salutations. किसको letter लिख रहे हो वो देख के use your salutations. Okay, now content, pay attention to the tenses required for the question. अगर question है that you have to write in past tense, do not write in present and future tense. Okay, stick to the tense which is given. The second is conjugate your verbs correctly, cover all the points which are mentioned in the bracket. Okay, bracket mein you will have all the pointers. Mention all the pointers. Okay? If you want, you can add extra relevant content, but make sure that you frame your questions properly. Okay, now for blogs, you will always include a heading. Okay? अगर blogger का नाम, अगर if you have that in the question, then yes, you can write. If you don't have, then don't. ठीक है? Okay, now moving to translation. French to English, please do not take that lightly. French to English easy है, हो जाएगा. No, students lose their marks here only. Okay, so use the correct article or the. Ensure that you use the proper punctuations and capitalization. ठीक है? Use the proper punctuations. अगर full stop है तो do full stop. अगर comma है, question mark है, inverted commas है, do that properly because अगर paper moderator के पास गया, if you score above 70, then they will cut your marks in this silly mistakes. ठीक है? And then the third point is avoid spelling errors. From English to French, no. Sentences can come from textbook exercise, but not necessary. बाहर से भी आ सकता है. Okay. So for this translation thing, please use your Vipul. Vipul में there are something 150 questions of English to French translation. So use that properly. By heart कर लो सब. See how you have conjugated tenses कैसे translate किए हैं. And I am not saying कि उसी में से आएगा, but if you practice 150 questions, it is obvious that तुम लोग फिर pro हो जाओगे how to translate things. ठीक है? So yes, then pay attention to the conjugation and tenses. Third thing, please match the subject properly. अगर ill दिया है तो use ill form only and do not use ill's form. ठीक है? Do not make mistake over there. Then question answer, again student make mistakes in article. I have given the example, Nomad Srua Frui, it is La Mong, L'Orange, etc. So what most of the students do is that they do La Mong, Yun Orange. Don't do that. Use definite articles or indefinite articles. Don't mix them both. Yes, one more thing. I have seen many students doing shortcut. अगर gender याद नहीं है तो let's make it plural. Don't do that. Okay, see you have 1 month. Okay, in 1 month remember all the gender of the things. सब objects के gender by heart कर लो. ठीक है, there are some moderators, there are some examiners who cut your marks in if you have done things plural. ठीक है, अब ये कब होता है? When you have scored above 70. ठीक है, above 70 स्कोर किया है, पेपर हैज गॉन टू द मॉडरेटर, सब राइट है, दे डू नॉट हैव एनी चांस ऑफ कटिंग योर मार्क्स, सो दे विल कट योर मार्क्स हियर. ठीक है, फिर अगर ले लिखा है, ले मोंग, लेज ओरेंज, तो दे विल कट योर मार्क्स ओवर हियर. ठीक है, सो यू हैव 1 मंथ, प्रॉपरली बाय हार्ट ऑल द जेंडर. ओके, अभी एग्जाम के दिन वाइल राइटिंग योर पेपर बाय एनी चांस जेंडर याद नहीं आ रहा है या यू आर नॉट श्योर कि अभी इसका जेंडर क्या होगा, तो रॉन्ग लिख के मत आना. ठीक है, रॉन्ग लिखोगे तो कोई भी मॉडरेटर मार्क्स नहीं देगा. बट इफ यू राइट प्लूरल, शायद समवन, देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू गेट मार्क्स. ओके, यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, कि अभी से वो माइंडसेट में मत रहो कि हाँ फाइन कूल प्लूरल लिख लेंगे. नो, अभी you have to by heart all the genders. But by any chance in exam, if you forget the gender, ठीक है, make it plural. But अगर अभी plural कर रहे हो तो सब plural करना. अभी Nomad Srua Frui है, so do all the fruits plural. ठीक है, clear? Okay. So for negation and interrogation, again pay attention to an apostrophe. Vowel है तो any मत लिखो, write an apostrophe. Okay, then use hyphen for interrogation and put a question mark. Now presentation thing, this is important for your presentation. ठीक है, underline key points. अगर आंसर लिख रहे हो तो उसका जो मेन आंसर है, apart from the things given in the question, जो main answer है, underline that. ठीक है, properly underline करो answers. It will give a good presentation. It will give a good opinion of yours. ठीक है, now the grammar section. Again, presentation is important. You have to underline your answers. Avoid shuffling the order of the question. ठीक है, double check the questions if changes are made. Okay, vocabulary, I said this is important because students make mistakes here. Mostly students situation based questions में mistake करते हैं. So provide a complete sentence, not just word. I have given you the example. For example, the question is के what do you say to your professor? So you will write bonjour monsieur, comment allez-vous, and not just bonjour monsieur. Okay, अगर formal है तो write formal only. Formal में salute लिख के मत आना. ठीक है, अगर informal है तो write salute, do not write bonjour. ठीक है, okay. Now for situation, again use your vipul. There are lots of situations given there कि कौन सा situation में क्या लिखना है, क्या आंसर्स आएगा, everything. Okay, vocabulary में there are opposites, match the column and complete with 1 or 2 words. Okay, ये सब में you will have to by heart your vocabulary from your textbook. ठीक है, textbook की vocabulary properly by heart कर लो, it's more than enough. And again, अगर ज़्यादा exercise solve करनी है तो refer to Vipul. You have lots of extra exercises in that. Okay, So now we'll move to some general instructions. See, I know your instructions, you get lots of time from all the subject teachers, but again, सुन लो थोड़ा. Okay? So first thing, very basic, school से सीख रहे हैं, new questions on new page. ठीक है, start each and every question on a new page. Question 1, A लिखा, MCQ. You have written all the MCQs, move to the next page, start question 1B. ठीक है, start question 1B. Question 1 complete हो गया, move to the next page, question 2. Now, for question 2, A, B, C में don't do that. ठीक है, A, B, C write on one page only. Now, second is rough work. Okay, so rough work, by rough work what I mean is कि ना when you are supposed to start writing your paper, मतलब supervisor ने instruction दे दिया कि okay now you can start writing your paper. I would suggest कि एक rough work बनाओ. Last page रहता है ना, see this is your supplement, do not write it over here. एक page turn करके make a rough page, उसमें ना you write all your pronouns के hints. ठीक है, personal pronouns के everyone must be having some hints कि how do you identify कौन सा pronoun आएगा. So write all the hints. ठीक है, then conjugate the verbs एत्र, avoir, aller, venir. Write all the possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective. Okay, this will hardly take max to max 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, but इससे क्या होता है ना कि you will be at ease, मतलब half tension हो गया कि even if I forget some conjugation, I have written it at the back. No, it is not compulsory. This is just a suggestion कि you can do this. It is not compulsory. ठीक है? So if you write all these adjectives and pronouns and everything, it will be like एक stress कम रहेगा कि okay, if I forget something, I have written it at the back. You can easily refer to it. Okay. But make sure to write this in pencil and not in pen. ठीक है? Pencil में ही लिखना, pen में मत लिखना. And before submitting your paper, if time permits and if you get the chance, प्लीज इरेज एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, अगर नहीं किया तो भी इट इज ओके, नॉट अ बिग डील, बट इट्स गुड इफ यू इरेज एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, नाउ थर्ड थिंग, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आइडेंटिटी डिस्क्लोजर. गलती से भी आइडेंटिटी डिस्क्लोज मत करना. ओके, डू नॉट रिवील योर आइडेंटिटी इन योर पेपर. ये मिस्टेक होती है इन योर मेल. Okay, when you write your mail, most of the students make mistake कि last में amicalement, the salutation you write at the end, उसमें they write their name. Please do not write your name and write the name which is given in your question. ठीक है, जो question में दिया है वो write and do not anywhere, सिर्फ mail में ही नहीं, anywhere do not disclose who you are. ठीक है. The next thing is corrections. Yes, avoid cancellations and overwriting. ठीक है, कुछ भी cancellation मत करो, overwriting तो बिल्कुल भी मत करो. ठीक है, अगर if you are writing something, कोई grammar है, question answer है, and if you are not sure about the answer, write the question and leave थोड़ा space. ठीक है, leave थोड़ा space and then again you can come back to that question. But do not cancel or overwrite. ठीक है, अगर गलती से कुछ wrong हो गया and you have to cancel, then just a single stroke. Scribble मत करना और overwrite, don't do that. Okay. And yes, the fifth one is that you will have to attempt your whole paper. Okay. पूरा paper with option you will attempt. तुम लोग को ऑप्शंस बहुत सफिशिएंट देता है. सो इवन इफ यू मेक मिस्टेक इन वन थिंग, यू कैन स्कोर इन द अनदर. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 1 यू विल अटेम्प्ट होल थिंग, क्वेश्चन 2 ग्रामर होल थिंग. ठीक है, प्रोनाउंस एंड ऑल में यू हैव टू डू एनी 4. 6 दिए होता है, डू एनी 4, यू विल डू ऑल 6. नाउ व्हेन आई से with options, it applies to mail and blogs also. ठीक है, you will do mail and blog both. See, I understand, I have also given my 12th French exam. पूरा पेपर होने के बाद when you have time and when you do the extra blog or the this mail, sometimes students feel कि यार बोर हो रहा है, क्यों लिखना है, but no, those 10 minutes can make you score very good. ठीक है, so please attempt both mail and blog. Ma'am, but aren't the first 4? No, it is not like that. First 4 are, if you solve all 6, जो right होगा that will be considered. Okay? So yes, please attempt all the questions. Please attempt blog and mail both. ठीक है? It is important. So yes, the total marks of the paper with option is around approximately 118. How will the marking work? Okay, so if both are done, ठीक है, for example तुम लोग ने mail भी किया, blog भी किया, so the supervisor will check both. दोनों में से जिसमें भी ज़्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर कर रहे हो, जिसमें दोनों में से जो भी तुमने ज़्यादा अच्छे से लिखा है, you will get उसके मार्क्स. ठीक है, so for that reason I am telling you to write both, because you also don't know कि किसमें तुम ज़्यादा स्कोर कर रहे हो. Okay, so it is better, don't take risk, write both. Okay, now I was saying that with options your whole paper is of 118 marks. That is approximately 118 marks. So if you solve the whole paper of 118 marks, you can easily score 78, 80 or at least 78. ठीक है? So yes, again for this reason only, solve whole paper. Okay. Okay, the final thing is cross check your paper with your question paper. Okay, when you complete your paper, सब हो गया, with option everything is done. Keep your answer sheet, keep your question paper and check. Question 1 लिखा है, yes. Question 2 लिखा है, yes. Do this. This is from my personal experience. In my board exam, I forgot to write question 2, grammar का first and second one, which was of almost 8 marks. अगर मैंने check नहीं किया होता तो I would have lost my 8 marks straight away there. ठीक है, so please cross check your paper. और सबमिट करने से पहले प्रॉपरली 3 बार पेपर चेक करो, एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 3 times. ठीक है, so you will have to check your paper 3 times properly and make sure that you do not leave, गलती से भी कुछ छूट ना जाए. Okay. Okay, so this was all the instructions till now. Is anyone having any doubt in the general instructions or topic wise instructions, anything? If you have any doubt, then ask me, and after that I will give you how to study in this 1 month, what you will do and how you will do. Okay, so is anyone having any doubt? Ashi, the important grammar topic, see, writing skills mein na, what will you do? Take the past papers, see all the writing skills. ठीक है? Now, again I am saying in Vipul there are proper past papers के writing skills given together. Okay, so if you do all the past papers के writing skills ना, you will get some idea कि कैसे writing skills exam में आ सकते हैं. Okay, for example, last vacation at Paris, my weekend at Paris, okay, something related to environment, ये सब you will have in your writing skills. Okay, so yes, again I will say that just go through your writing skills from Vipul. Okay, it will be more than enough. And yes, for writing skills also you can refer to your question answers. Like अगर question answers properly by heart हो गया ना, so writing skills आधा तो उसमें ही निकल जाता है. Okay. Sentences are not important, words are important. Okay, you will be given how many words to write, क्या लिखना है. So word count is important and not the sentence. Okay, for the blog you will count, and for email also you will count the words and not the sentence. ठीक है, इसीलिए shouldn't we do board question bank? Yes, board question bank is there. It is there in a Vipul also, and अलग से भी आया है. If you go to Google you will get your board question bank. It is not necessary, but yes, it is good if you do that. ठीक है, it is past papers के ही everything merged together and given to you in one PDF. ठीक है, so yes, it is important. Okay, anything else? Okay, so I will move to the next thing. How will you study for your last month? Okay, so the general preparation, like very first thing you will go through your entire textbook. ठीक है, पूरा textbook thoroughly by मतलब each and everything, every corner of the textbook you should be knowing. ठीक है, textbook अच्छे से कर लो, it is perfect. Each and every vocabulary, each and every exercise, everything you should know from your textbook. Okay, so very first thing, in this 1 month you will by heart your textbook. Okay, the second thing is when you practice your writing skills or the question answers, write. सिर्फ by heart करके बोल के don't do that. Write so that you will know how the sentences are formed and you will not forget the spellings. Okay, अगर spellings में you write one spelling and you do not put the accent, like grave है, ague है, if you do not do that you will lose marks there also. ठीक है, so write the question answers and writing skills properly in 1 month. I would suggest कि at least 3 to 4 times you should be writing each and every writing skill and each and every question answer from chapter 0 to chapter 6. Okay, it is not like other subject theory paper like OC, economics. There you don't have to practice writing every time. Okay, there the answers are very lengthy, but this is somewhat like maths. लिख के ही practice you can do. Okay, the next point is solve question bank from Vipul. Okay, so you will Vipul में you have extra sets of question, chapter wise भी है, topic wise भी है and board paper wise भी है. So you have all the sets of question bank in Vipul. And also answers are given, so yes, you can cross check yourself from there. Okay, so now yes, these are some page numbers from Vipul which are important for you to by heart in this last month. ठीक है, the first thing is opposites. Opposites are given on your page 148. There are lots of opposites. By heart that. See, opposites ना 1 या 2 marks के लिए exam में आएगा. But it is important that you know the vocabulary. So अगर if you by heart all this vocabulary from page 148, तुम लोग का vocabulary part भी strong हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So yes, vocabulary opposites from page 148, question set from page 152. ठीक है, do all the question sets are given starting from page 152. Practice all that. Comprehension, yes, in Vipul on page 204 you are given all the comprehensions to practice. ठीक है, please practice this also. Okay, now for comprehension part, again I will say that copy the question. Okay, क्वेश्चन मतलब पैराग्राफ नहीं कॉपी करना है, ठीक है. जो भी क्वेश्चन है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन आंसर है, सो क्वेश्चन आंसर ट्रू और फॉल्स है, सो यू विल राइट द क्वेश्चन. इफ इट इज ट्रू ट्रू, फॉल्स देन फॉल्स. ठीक है. सो इन कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ऑल्सो प्लीज राइट द होल क्वेश्चन. ओके, then the next thing is letters and mail. This is starting from page 228 to 229. Okay, this and this page number पे जो भी mails and blogs दिए हैं, please by heart that. Are there any corrections? See, I don't actually remember what the mistakes are there, but I don't think so there are any major mistakes in Vipul guide. Okay, I guess there is one or two mistakes in Vipul guide in the answer section, but no, there aren't any major mistakes, so it's okay, you don't have to worry about that. Okay. And again, translation, yes, as I said before also, English to French translation दिया है on page 243. There are something 150 translations. ठीक है, so please solve that. अच्छे से शांति से बैठ के solve करो, it is enough. If you are thorough with those 150 translations, you will easily be able to translate in your exams. ठीक है. When I say translations, I don't say that by heart करो. Translations do not by heart. रट्टा मत मारना translations. But see to it कि कैसे किया है. Okay. Then next thing is past paper grammar are starting from page 248. Topic wise grammar दिया है. From page 248, you have pronouns. All the pronouns question which have appeared in your past papers of boards. So topic wise दिया है all the grammar. Practice that. And yes, there are 3 practice papers on page 295. Okay, so you have to practice that also. Okay, now this. See, whatever study plan I am giving, it is not necessary that each and every student follow that only. Okay, this is just a brief idea that you should know कैसे करना है. Okay, so that you don't get lost, you don't feel कि confused कि अभी क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. Okay, so yes, 11th Feb you have your English exam. After you complete your paper, you come home, proper lunch कर लो, relax, अच्छे से relax होके rest करने के बाद start studying. Okay, do not waste your 11th का दिन. ठीक है. So focus on 11th February, you will focus on question answers and writing skills. ठीक है, पहले सब क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लो फ्रॉम चैप्टर 0 टू चैप्टर 6. राइट ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन आंसर. क्वेश्चन देखो एंड राइट द आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन देखो एंड राइट द आंसर्स. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो गया. देन राइटिंग स्किल्स, अगेन राइट ऑल द राइटिंग स्किल्स. ठीक है. सी व्हेन यू राइट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड राइटिंग स्किल्स ऑन 11th ना, उसके पहले लाइक इन दिस 1 month यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन इट. बहुत सारी बार तुम लोग ने लिख लिया होगा, सो ऑन दैट डे इट वोंट टेक मच टाइम. ओके, सो येस, ऑन 11th यू विल कंप्लीट योर चैप्टर ऑफ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड राइटिंग स्किल. ओके, बोरिंग है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग सबसे पहले खत्म कर दो. ठीक है. देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज 12th February. ओके, 11th February को you will have taken a proper nap in the afternoon. So if necessary, रात को you can extend till 1 or 2. ठीक है. Again depends on students to student. किसी किसी को रात को जागने की आदत होती है. Some students wake up in the morning at 4 or 5. ठीक है, तो depends from students to students. ठीक है. Now 12th February को when you wake up as soon as you wake up, fresh होके start studying, revise all the question answers and writing skills which you have done the previous night. ठीक है? So when you do, रात को वही करके you sleep, सुबह उठ के the same thing you see, एकदम perfectly हो जाएगा your question answers and writing skills. फिर no stress for that. ओके जो सबसे बोरिंग था, सबसे इरिटेटिंग टास्क था, इट्स डन. देन यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10 to 1 PM all the grammar rules and exceptions. Okay, there are lots and lots of exceptions for your grammar rules. ठीक है, हर एक grammar rule में there are exceptions in French. So by heart that. ठीक है, this 3 hours take properly, सब notes लो, जो भी नोट्स है टेक्स्ट बुक खोलो, विपुल बुक खोलो, और जो भी नोट्स तुम लोग ने बनाए हैं, कॉलेज से नोट्स दिया है, टेक एवरी नोट्स, प्रॉपरली सिट, शांति से बाय हार्ट ऑल द रूल्स, एक्सेप्शंस, एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, देन यू विल टेक अ प्रॉपर लंच ब्रेक एंड स्टार्ट अगेन एट 2:30. ठीक है, 2:30 to 4 PM अगेन टेक्स्ट बुक रिविजन. ओके, प्रॉपरली रिवाइज योर होल टेक्स्ट बुक. Already you have done that in 1 month, again do that. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वर्ड से लेके लास्ट वर्ड तक एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक यू शुड नो कि उसमें क्या है. ठीक है, देन यू विल टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक, 4 to 4:30 PM का ब्रेक, एंड देन 4:30 PM to 8:30 यू विल डू ऑल द एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम विपुल. ओके, जो भी यू हैव डन प्रीवियसली, रिवाइज एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, ऑपोजिट्स, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन सेट है, सिचुएशंस, एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, एंड बिफोर स्लीपिंग रिव्यू ऑल योर पास्ट पेपर्स. जो भी पेपर तुम लोग ने कॉलेज में लिखे हैं, एक्स्ट्रा पेपर्स लिखे हैं, प्रीलिम पेपर, सेमेस्टर पेपर्स, कुछ भी लिखा है, रिव्यू दैट, जस्ट सी कि कौन सी मिस्टेक्स की है, क्या है, एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, ओके. सो एंड येस, ऑन 12th Feb you will sleep exactly at 11:30. Do not stress yourself, do not exaggerate yourself at 12th. ठीक है, 12th को शांति से सो जाओ and wake up next day very fresh. Okay, the 13th को just study for 2 hours. ठीक है, study for 2 hours, do full revision of question answers, writing skills, verb conjugations, grammar exceptions, everything. Okay, just go through your all the mistakes, revision, proper revision कर लो on 13th morning. ठीक है, now see, it is again, this differs from student to student. I would prefer that do not study before the 1 hour of your exam. ठीक है, एग्जाम के 1 घंटे पहले क्लोज योर बुक्स, क्लोज योर नोट्स एंड जस्ट काम योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, आराम से शांति से बैठ जाओ. इट विल बी मोर रिलैक्सिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बट अगेन इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट टू स्टूडेंट. किसी को लास्ट मिनट तक पढ़ने की आदत है तो इट इज ओके. ओके, नो इश्यूज इन दैट. बट आप लास्ट मिनट तक पढ़ो ना पढ़ो, प्लीज डू नॉट डिस्कस एनीथिंग विथ योर फ्रेंड्स बिफोर एग्जाम. ठीक है, एग्जाम से पहले कुछ भी डिस्कस मत करो विथ फ्रेंड्स. तुम लोग ने जो भी पढ़ा है इट इज सफिशिएंट. अगर किसी ने आके कुछ बोल दिया कि हाँ ये भी आने वाला है एग्जाम में, यू विल गेट स्ट्रेस्ड. डोंट डू दैट. ओके, लास्ट मिनट try as much as possible to stay calm. Okay, so yes, here we end this. All the best everyone for your exams, and एकदम शांति से एग्ज़ाम लिखना. It doesn't matter पूरा साल पढ़ाई किया है या नहीं किया, but you have 1 month. Give your best in this 1 month. Okay, and yes, again, yes, you will solve at least 4 past papers. ठीक है, in this 1 month you will solve at least 4 past papers. You will get in Vipul, solution भी Vipul में ही मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, so you will solve the past papers and the practice papers which are given. प्रॉपरली एग्जाम में लिख रहे हो वैसे ही लिखो विथ ऑप्शंस. Okay, so yes, we end here. All the best for your exams, and if you have any doubt, just type in the chat box.